Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Derek. I hope y'all have an amazing day. I'm just eating my cereal. So, why'd you come right now? I didn't tell you to come. You're not welcome here.
Do you not see me? You're trying to eat my cereal, man? Come on, man. Get out. You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy. Go.
I'm eating my cereal, man. Come on. You're not welcome. You're not welcome here.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Derek. Hope you're all having an amazing day. And if you are, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It's free. Just between you and me though, okay? And I'm not going to waste too much of your time, but I got two things to say really quick. Number one, I'm taking my driver's ed driving test in a few days. So, it's amazing. So I'll be done with that, get my permit, and you know it. What else?
Oh, yes.
I am going to be on the news. Not for nothing bad. Nothing bad. Just saying, okay? But for real. I'm going to be on the news for my carpentry and my school because I'm homeschooled, so I have been chosen to be the standout student of the week. So they're going to come and interview me and stuff, so that's going to be good. And I'm probably going to film it or like document it for sure, but yeah. So that's about it. And I know I've been saying that DB News is going to start pretty soon, and I haven't started it yet. So here's my offer. If we hit 100 subs, just hit 100 subs, I will start DB News. So tell your friends to share it if you can do that. Yeah. Alrighty, let's go.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. Somewhere by the emerald sea, where the moon and water meet. Somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change, journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. We're Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
Just got spent. First of the month comes, gotta pay rent. Where the money goes slipping through my hands. I'm working with these hands. Little Johnny needs a lunchbox. Little Susie needs clothes and it won't stop. Thanks calling us up and they don't care. It's more than I can bear. I gotta believe I can more than survive. Still one trick up my sleeve. We're gonna make this one shine. I gotta believe I can more than survive. Still one trick up my sleeve. We're gonna make this one shine. I'm at the edge of my life. I got no time to think twice. When I'm standing with the weight of the world on my shoulders, I'm gonna fight the good fight. Cause I know I'll get by. When I battle every day through the home, but he's not sober. With the family go up and smoke again. Feels just like sinking sand. Heard shouts in the backyard, sirens ringing from a cop car. It's a rough day for this family, man. I'm praying with these hands. I gotta believe I can more than survive. Still one trick up my sleeve. We're gonna make this one shine. I gotta believe I can more than survive. Still one trick up my sleeve. We're gonna make this one shine. I'm at the edge of my life. I got no time to think twice. When I'm standing with the weight of the world on my shoulders, I'm gonna fight the good fight, 'cause I know I'll get by. When I battle every day through the pain like a soldier. Edge of my life, edge of my life, edge of my life. Just don't look down, and you'll never fall. I gotta believe I can more than survive. Still one trick up my sleeve. We're gonna make this one shine. I gotta believe I can more than survive. Still one trick up my
And guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you have watched it all the way through, which you have to if you're gonna hear me saying this, thank you so much. And fist bump, pound it, noggin. Be perfect. Don't sue me, man. Come on, man. I'm just trying to make videos, man. And that's the end. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Peace out. God bless.
You stalking me again? Come on, man. That's not cool. You're trash, kid.
I tried so hard.